Good morning, students. Welcome back again in Shima online classes. So, children, I hope you all are superb uh, at your home premises. So, it is my humble request that kindly be at your homes only. Don't go outside the home and wash your hands properly at certain time at particular interval of time. Children, today we have our math session. So in this session we will go through the new lesson. So before starting the lesson, I would like to tell you a story. Okay. So there's a story. It is a story of grasshopper and the ants. I think maybe you have heard about this. But apart from this, I will also tell you the moral behind the story. So in this story, we have a grasshopper and the ant. So the ant, as you know, they are very hardworking. Every day, from day to night, they are always roaming here and there, and uh, collecting all the foods and supplements. And but the grasshopper is very lazy. He always used to play it's his violin. So one of the day when the ant was just passing from nearby him, he the ant tell him asked him ki, hey bro, why are you not collecting your food? As you know, the winter has to come. The winter is about to come. So please get up and start your work. When you will collect your food and collect them for whole the winter season? So in this question, the what did the grasshopper answered? He answered, no problem, I will manage. I know the winter is about to come, but I will collect it. So you don't have to worry. I will collect my food. But now, rightly now, I am playing the violin. So enjoy the music. Bye bye. See you. So the ant looked at him and just get away. Okay, she knew कि the grasshopper don't know the importance of season, importance of food. So children, by the time the winter is came, all the animals just stuck in their homes because outside there is so much winter. As you know, when the winter came, we also tried and we also want to keep stuck or keep at our homes only. So the grasshopper, but what about the grasshopper? The grasshopper has no food, has no place to live. So he was roaming here and there and shivering from the winter. He's just about to dead. He from without food, without place of live, without water. How can I live through this season? So he went to the ant's home. The ant opened the door. When he or she looked at him, they have just thinking ki bichara, he has no food, he has no water, he has no place to live. So he warmly welcomed him and gave food and hot water or soup to him to drink and be relief, get relief, and also warm his body. Then now the grasshopper get the importance of time. Key that we are doing so many things, but all the things have their proper order and sequence and time. So we are trying to we are always trying our best to get complete our work on at the proper time and place. Okay, so children, uh, again I will tell you the story of something else, or we will go through the new chapter or new lesson. I want to show you some uh, pictures. Let's start. If you look at this picture, you just saw that the girl was just went up from the bed. It means, and if you look at the sky, there is sun also there. So what is the time when the sun rises in the sky? It is morning. So the morning is a time when we get up from our bed. Okay, after that, what we do? We brush our teeth, we do our daily things, then we have our breakfast. Okay, so when do you have your breakfast? We have our breakfast, we eat our breakfast in the morning time. Okay, and the next picture, the girl is eating same thing, breakfast, bread and butter. So in the breakfast we are taking light food or the juice or milk. So you all have to take milk compulsory. It is compulsory for you, for all the children. After that, we will go to the school. As you see in the picture, the children are going to their school. At what time? Can you guess the time? What time is it? It is a daytime, and daytime means morning. So when you will go to the school, you also going to the school in the morning time. Okay, and when do we get on our bed? In the night time, at night, when the moon comes to the sky, then we will get to our bed and have a nap or have a sleep, tight sleep. So children, if you see all this picture, you will get only one thing, that we are doing these things in a proper sequence, and who will tell us the sequence or in proper order? The time. The time tell us the proper order of sequence of work we are doing in our daily lives. Okay, and who tell us the time? The clock. The clock tell us the time. Okay, as you see, the clock has different shapes, but in this picture we have a round circle of clock. If you say it has two hands like us only, and on the flat surface it has number from 1 to 12. Okay, so if you go through this, the clock tell us the time, and the time tell us the importance of work. So children, you also make this habit of doing your proper work at the proper time. Okay, don't left your work behind. If you get homework, so you have to do that homework on that day only. Don't leave on the tomorrow. Okay, I will do it tomorrow. No, as you see, when you will eat your food, when you're hungry. If your mother tell you, now you are hungry, but I will not give you food, just take I will give you food after 2 hours. So how do you feel? In the same way, you also have to do your work at the proper time. Okay, so children, this is our lesson number 6, the time, chapter number 6, the time. In this chapter we will learn how to read times, how to write times, and what is the importance of time, and what are the things we are doing at a proper time in sequence. Okay, so children, this is your chapter number 6, time. Okay, here we are having a daily timetable of Sampada. Sampada is a girl, and on this page we will read that what she is doing from morning to night. Okay, so if you go through the number 1, here what is written? Get up for school. So children, as the sun comes in the sky and everywhere the light will lighten the surroundings of yours, it means the morning came. The time morning will come, has come. Okay, so when do you get up for your school? Obviously in the morning, at 6 o'clock, at 7 o'clock. it depends on you. It depends on your school time. If your school has 9 o'clock timing, so so that you have to get up at 7 o'clock. Okay, because you need a time to complete your daily routine between before going to the school. Okay, after that the two number is eat breakfast. Obviously, after the getting up, we have to do our brush, having bath, then we will take our breakfast. Now, in number 3, as you see, the children reach the school, the Sampada reach the school. So what is the teacher doing? The teacher reading a story. Okay, so the teacher reading a story, and all the children are carefully listening the story. After that, you have also had your interval in the school. Okay, so after interval you reach the home. Again, after reaching the home, you first of all keep your shoes and bags at their proper places. Bags at the shelves and the shoes at the shoe shelves. Okay, then you have to wash your hands and eat your lunch. So when do we have our lunch? In the afternoon. Okay, children, after 12 o'clock we have afternoon time. Number 5, play. So when do you have play? When do you all go to the park for playing? Or because this time you are all have been stuck to your home, so you are playing in the home also. So number 5, it is the evening time. We have the Sampada is playing in the park. After that, she came back to the home and she do study. In study, she is completing her homework, whatever ma'am is given in the class in the school. After that, she goes to the bed. Okay, this all things you are doing at your home. This time a little bit difference because now the schools are closed because of corona pandemic, but no problem, the school will reopen also. Then you also go back to the school. So in this way you also follow your daily routine as Sampada. So so you know, whatever she is doing, she is stuck with the time. She is doing breakfast only in the morning. She has had her lunch in the afternoon. Then she go to the bed at night. Okay, so this is a proper time. Now in the next page you have to tick the activities that we do in the morning. So here so many activities. What here we have to do the activities, tick the activities that we do in the morning. So first of all we do brush. Yes. Then we have bath. Yes. Then we go to study. School. Yes. Okay. Now take the activities that you do in the evening. Bathing, playing, school going, or sleeping. Playing. Okay, tick the activities that you do in the day. So are you doing brush in the day? No. Are you going to the park in the day? No. Or are you having your lunch? Yes, we are having a lunch in the day. Tick the activities that we do at night. So what are we doing at night? We are sleeping. Yes, at night. Okay, now number the activities in school. Here we have lot of picture. Here we have to arrange them properly in the sequence. So whatever we first do, we have to put it 1. So children, here this is the process of Doug, how they are putting the floor in a duck form. So first of all we take put flour in the tub, number 1. Then we put water, after this first we put the flour in the bartan, or you can say utensil, parat. Then we put water to mix it. Then we dug it. After digging it, we plate the belan and put in a circle form. After that we cook it and then we eat. Okay, so in this way we will do these activities. In the next page, take the activity that will take longer. So here there are two pictures. In the first picture, the bucket is filling with the tub, and here we have tanky with the help of tap we have to fill this. So which one will take longer to fill it? Obviously the tank. Okay, here is one more picture. The boy is walking on the road, and here he has the second picture, the boy is cycling. So which one is take longer to get reach to the place? So the boy who is walking on the road is taking long time to reach on the place. Okay children, so this is page number 92. So you have to do this work in your NCERT maths book up to page number 92. And in the last, I hope you all understand the importance of time. And in the next video we will go the next part of the lesson. So before that you have to do practice of this. Take care of yourself, be at home, be safe. Thank you.